tutorial we are going to learn how can we enroll our students manually. That's what we are going to cover. Topic 4, how to enroll and unenroll students manually. So you log into your course as a tutor, go to the admin setting, click on users, enrolled users. Now you can see there are no students in this course. So you click on enroll users, search for the name of the student. Suppose this is your student. Select this. Select from here student. There are 4 options. Sometimes you want to allow your co-teacher to teach some parts, so you can also enroll your co-teacher if you have the rights. So here in this tutorial we are only going to do how can you enroll the student. So click on student, enroll. Now this student is part of your course. That's how we can enroll manually. If they are not doing automatic and they are requesting you want to do, as a manager of your course, you can still enroll your student and the student is active. Same way, if you want to unenroll, if you want to delete one student, then you click on this button. If you have to do some setting, you click on this one, edit enrollment. Suppose you want to give more right to this student, setting, otherwise delete this, unenroll. Now there are no students in this. That's how you can enroll your students manually and unenroll. You can delete from your course. For this tutorial, that's all. Thank you.